Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Before we get started, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. So today I'm excited because we are going to go ahead and do my daughter's Easter basket. So I've mentioned, I believe in February, for my daughter's Valentine's Day baskets. I am not going overboard this year because we are having her, well, we're going on a trip to Disney and her birthday party is going to be there. And then the week after, we're going to have another birthday party. So we're not going overboard. We are just going nice and kind of more on the simple side. If you saw my last year video, you know that we went overboard. But this year, we're keeping it a little bit more on the simple side. So let's go ahead and let me show you what we picked up to put in my daughter's Easter basket this year. All right, so my daughter is actually, by Easter, she will be a little like 2 years and 7 months, so like a little bit over 2 years and a half. So just keep that in mind. So of course we picked up some, some of this at the Dollar Tree. If you saw one of my hauls way back when, I did pick this up. It was on sale for $7, and it is Polly Pocket. My daughter absolutely loves little things, and she loves kind of like little mystery stuff, which this is what it comes with. She's really good at not putting stuff in her mouth. So really good. She actually never puts stuff in her mouth, random stuff. So I am so excited to see her play with this. She's probably just gonna think it's oh wow, which is a dog, until she really notices that you can open it and stuff. And I am a huge Polly Pocket kid, so I am so excited for her to open that, and it matches my nails. I just noticed that. And then on Amazon, I picked this up. My daughter has been obsessed with Peppa Pig. So I got her this guy. It does make a sound. Yeah, I hope I don't get copyright. Okay, that's enough. Okay, yeah. So I got her this. It makes cute little songs, which is super duper cute. I'm pretty sure she's gonna be so excited when she sees this. I am gonna have to hide this until then. And then on Amazon, I saw this, and I've been wanting to get her one of these for a while. So I decided to go ahead and get her one. She already knows her first and last name and her mom and dad's name. So I decided to go ahead and get this so that we can kind of incorporate into teaching her how to spell her name. I'm excited to get a bunny and a heart. You could get whatever kind of like things you want. Again, I got it on Amazon. I just decided to keep it very simple, to not take up too much room. I just have the plastic on it. I didn't want to take it off yet, because I am going to put it in the basket. But I thought that was really cute. At Five Below, I actually picked this guy up. I got to take out the price, but it is a bluey chalk set. My daughter loves chalk, so I thought this would be really cute to get for her. And then on Amazon, I want to say it was last year, we gave her a bluey Play-Doh set. And this year I found Peppa on Amazon. It's kind of the same concept actually as the bluey one. Like you could do bluey, I mean the other one, but like you could do Peppa, and then you put the clothes and stuff. She absolutely loves her bluey ones. So when she sees this, she's gonna be so excited. So if you've been here for a while, you know we've had a very interesting, not successful journey with potty training. But I also haven't really been, I guess you could say, really strict on her for it. So I'm not even gonna like say like we've completely failed, because I haven't been really strict. It's coming though. It's coming. But I got her Let's Go Potty, and her inspiration is since it's Peppa recently. I thought this would be really cute. It makes noise, and it's basically, to help teach. I think she's teaching George, if I'm being honest, to go potty. Yeah. So I got this. I thought it would be very helpful and beneficial for us right now. So I got her that book. Then I got her this stick and play activity set, again with the theme. The theme this year is Peppa. And then at Dollar Tree, I don't know if I got these at Dollar Tree or Dollar Spot at Target, to be honest. I'm not 100% sure, but I got her some more chalk, and these are bunnies. She absolutely loves bunnies. Bunnies and the rabbit from Peppa. So that's probably why she's like obsessed. I did get her some coloring books and some sticker books from Dollar Tree, which we should all go check out Dollar Tree. Their stuff right now is so cute. So they had this jumbo Peeps little coloring book. So I got her this one. I also got her this one, which is Happy Easter, which I thought was really, really cute. Little bunnies, flowers, and stuff like that. And then I got her this Make a Face ones. If you haven't seen my past videos, my daughter absolutely loves these things. She loves doing like little stickers and putting the faces on them. She loves these. So they had two, so I picked up the two different kinds that they have so that she can do. They even have like eggs for this one, like she can go ahead and, you know, put stickers on the eggs. And then the last thing we picked her up is this guy right here at Dollar Tree. It is a little unicorn. She loves these. She has a princess one right now that she's obsessed with. So I decided to go ahead and pick another one up. And for basket this year, I'm pretty sure everything's going to fit in here. I'm using the same basket that I used last year. I want to say I got this at Target. And it comes with stickers, and I just put her name on it. So that is what we're going to fill it up with. Let's go ahead and fill it up. All right, so normally I do use something to kind of put underneath to give it a little bit more of like a push up in it. Let me go ahead and open these things up. And I am just going to throw it in there basically, making myself a mess for later on. You don't have to use this. You can use the little paper thingies. I've used like wrapping paper in the past as well. But yeah, just to make it a little bit more fun. All right, so I'm going to start out with the bigger stuff, which is going to be the coloring books. So I'm going to put the coloring books in the back side of it. Like that. All right. I'm actually going to put this. Yeah, I think I'm going to put this guy on one side. Now, let's do this one. And then this kind of like that. Oh, that works out better. All right, like that. We can actually have her right here. Let me see if I can find something to put underneath. Oh, look, a ball of tissue paper. Let's put that. Perfect. Look at that. She's sitting there nicely. All right, and then I'm gonna put the stickers actually right here. Doesn't have to be crazy noticeable. I'm gonna put this guy right back here as well. Her book can actually be right here. It doesn't matter if the Play-Doh one isn't really visible because that's gonna be more visible. Her chalk. Let's just throw it in there. Let's put the pink chalk back here somewhere. She doesn't have to see both. And then, oh, her bluey chalk also. Let's just put it there. See, you can see the bluey right there sticking out. Oh, let me take out the price. Okay. Just like that. All right, and then her name thing. Let's see. No, I kind of wanted it to stick out more, so I'll just put it there. Oh, yeah, that works out. You can see part of it, but it's okay. All right, so that is my toddler's Easter basket this year. It's so cute. I love it. She's going to be so happy. All right, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget, guys, I do have links down below on some of the items if you are interested. And if you stayed this long to the end of the video, please go ahead and leave this emoji so I can know you are still here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.